Hey, ever wished you could turn a ChatGPT conversation into a PDF with just one prompt? Well, you're about to learn the easiest way to do it. No extra apps, no stress, just pure chat magic. Stay with me till the end because I'm breaking it down step by step. All right, let's jump straight in. You're chatting with ChatGPT, getting cool answers, maybe a bedtime story, a recipe, or even an article. And now you're thinking, how can I save this as a PDF? Easy. First, I opened the ChatGPT website and made sure I was already logged into my account. This part is important because you need to be signed in to make it work. Then I started a conversation like usual. In my case, I asked ChatGPT to write a bedtime story for kids. You can ask whatever you want, of course. Once I got the response, I simply typed this prompt: make your answer as .pdf file. Yep, just that one line. It's like casting a spell, but for documents. After that, I waited for a few seconds while ChatGPT processed the request. It analyzed the answer and started preparing the PDF file. Not long after, it gave me a direct download link to the PDF. I clicked it, and boom, the file started downloading instantly. No extra steps, no confusion. And just like that, I had my ChatGPT conversation saved neatly in a PDF format. Super clean and super easy. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and share it with someone who needs to know this trick. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI hacks coming your way. Catch you in the next one. Peace.